Hello everybody. So today I'd like to review this Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD drive. And so this is one of the best when it comes to storing videos or pictures or large files. And so you can get this off of Amazon or any major electronics retailer. And so let's take a look at this together. So on the box here, it says Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD, high-speed storage designed to keep you moving. And this is the 1 TB version, and I got the new generation one, so this is up to 1050 megabytes per second read and 1000 megabytes per second write. And so when you buy this on Amazon, make sure you buy the right one, because there are two versions of this. The new version, which is the one I have, has the 1050 megabytes per second, but the older generation is only 550 megabytes per second, so half the speed of this one. So make sure you buy the right one. And then on the bottom here it says water resistance, which is very nice. So in case you have any spills of water, then this will be fine. And also it says here, store more faster. So let's take a look as well on the side here. So on the side, we see a picture of the side of the device. And on the back here, it says Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD, store, edit, and curate large photo, video libraries at blazing speeds. And it has rugged IP55 water and dust resistant design. So this is really good. And then you also have shock and vibration resistant solid state core, withstands up to 2 meters or 6.56 feet drop. And also this is small, compact design. It has USB 3.2 Gen 2, Type-C ready, and it also includes a Type-A compatible adapter. So this is an NVMe SSD drive, solid state drive, so it's really good as compared to the older hard drive spinning ones, which basically wears out a lot quicker. So SSD is a lot better, and it's going to be performing a lot better over the long run. And so on this other side here, it says compatibility has USB Type-C port and also the Type-A port as well. So depending on which port you have, so you have the latest USB 3.2 Gen 2, it'll give you 10 gigabytes per second, or USB 3, which gives you 5 gigabytes per second, or you can also use it with the slower, older USB 2.0. This drive is also compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, Mac OS High Sierra, or Mac OS X El Capitan, and it's also compatible with a range of USB Type-C smartphones such as Android or your Apple devices. So the box contains an instruction manual, the SSD, and then also a adapter for USB-C and also for USB-A. Okay, so let's open this up and let's take a look inside. So the packaging is quite simple. As you can see here, you see the drive at the very top. It's actually very small. It's about the size of a credit card. It's a little bit longer than a credit card, but it's actually thinner than a credit card. So if we just grab a ruler here, let's take a look, see here, it's about 10 centimeters long, or about 4 inches. So that's just about a centimeter wider than your credit card. And measuring across, it's about 5 centimeters or about 2 inches, which is actually shorter than a credit card width. Okay, so when I opened this up, I was surprised how small it is. I'm actually quite surprised because in the videos, it looks like it's quite a large device, but this thing here is tiny. It's just about the size of a credit card. Okay, so let's take a look at what else is inside the box. So you have a Sandisk SSD safety and warranty guide. All right. And inside we also have the cable. So inside the cable, we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, as well as a USB-A adapter if you want to use it with one of the older ports on your computer. And so prices of SSDs have really come down over the years. And so these devices are actually quite affordable now. And especially with 4K video editing, which I'm planning to do, is really good because the files are getting larger. So you do need these larger hard drives. And so this Also has a ring for carrying. So if you have one of those luggage rings, you can just clip it, and then you can just clip it to the back of your backpack or your briefcase or whatever. So that is super convenient. Okay. So if you like the contents of this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And also I will be coming out with a lot of new content soon. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.